Question: how can you secure data at rest in AWS? Answer: in AWS, there are several measures you can take to secure data at rest, ensuring that your data remains encrypted and protected even when it is stored in storage services. Here are some key methods to secure data at rest in AWS. Encryption at rest. One of the fundamental ways to secure data at rest is by using encryption. AWS offers various encryption options. Amazon S3. You can enable server-side encryption for objects stored in Amazon S3 using either Amazon S3 Managed Keys SSE S3, AWS Key Management Service KMS Keys SSE KMS, or a customer provided key SSEC. Amazon EBS. You can encrypt data volumes of Amazon Elastic Block Store EBS using AWS KMS Managed Keys, AWS Managed Keys, or Customer Managed Keys. Amazon RDS. You can enable encryption for Amazon RDS database instances, both for the storage and automated backups, using AWS KMS Managed Keys. Amazon EFS. Amazon Elastic File Systems supports encryption of data at rest using AWS KMS Managed Keys. AWS Storage Gateway. AWS Storage Gateway provides encryption of data at rest by leveraging AWS KMS Managed Keys. AWS Key Management Service KMS. AWS KMS allows you to create, manage, and control encryption keys used for data encryption at rest. You can use AWS KMS to encrypt data in various AWS services. As mentioned earlier, KMS provides centralized control and auditing of encryption keys, allowing you to manage and rotate them as needed. Amazon Messi. Amazon Messi is a security service that uses machine learning and automatically discover, classify, and protect sensitive data such as personally identifiable information (PII) in AWS. It helps in identifying and securing data at rest by classifying the content and applying security policies to prevent unauthorized access or leakage. Access control and IAM. Ensure that proper access controls and permissions are in place to restrict access to your data at rest. Use AWS Identity and Access Management IAM to manage users' access and permissions, granting the least privilege necessary for users and application to access data. VPC and network security. Utilize AWS Virtual Private Cloud VPC and network security controls to protect your data. Implement security groups and network access control list to control inbound and outbound traffic to your resources, and use VPC endpoints for private access to AWS services without traversing the public internet. Data Lifecycle Management. Implement data lifecycle management policies to regularly review and dispose of data that is no longer needed. This ensures that your You only retain necessary data, minimizing the exposure and risk of unauthorized access to sensitive information. Regular security updates and patches. Keep your AWS services and underlying operating systems up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Regularly monitor AWS security bulletins and apply necessary updates to protect against known vulnerabilities. By combining these security measures, you can effectively secure your data at rest in AWS, protecting it from unauthorized access and ensuring compliance with security best practices. Thank you.